Well, this is double upsetting. I just recorded this entire week 18 video. So yeah, by the way, welcome back to GoMining's fucking week 18 of solo mining. I had just fully recorded, or was just about to finish recording, when all of a sudden my OBS started flashing, saying my USB with 42 gigabytes of free space ran out of space. So I'm going to close these two tabs, and we're just going to redo the whole thing, but this time probably a bit more pissed off. So this video is going to be about why you should click this damn button, and why when I didn't click it, it cost me about $10. It was a $10 nap that I took the other day because I'm a fucking idiot. So, I am 4 days away from getting back to my full 3% on there, which will then bring me back up to my, what was it, 6.36% I was at, yes. So I'm close to that, but anyways, we will get into that soon. First, we're going to go take a look at our total rewards of 0.0292298 Bitcoin. We're at $3,234.57. But you know, with the rates continuously changing, let's see how much we are actually at. Bitcoin to USD. We are down 2% on the day. Oh, actually, see, at the time of recording, I was 2% down on the day, or it was. Now it's back to negative 1.25, which works for me. So, our total Bitcoin reward is actually $3,235.80, which if we look at that, we're actually up $1 compared to it. When I was recording it last, it said I was down about $9. Good. The price is coming back up. It's making up for the fuck up that OBS just caused, which severely annoyed the shit out of me. So, this week, we're going to go over why you need to press that damn fucking button. Because let's take a gander here. Actually, no, this isn't even it. We need to go over the actual week, which is from the 19th to the 25th. So, we look at our total discount. We were good here. I fell asleep in between these 2 days and woke up after it had reset, and I went, fuck. We went from 6.36 down to 3.66, and we're slowly climbing our way back up. Now, our average pool reward, 1043, 1041, 1042, 1044, 1045, 1046, 1046. We're looking at an average about 1044 here, right? The average of 1044. Well, this week, our total rewards was only 00027. You want to see what it was last week? It was 00036 with a full discount and the pool reward 1045, 1044, 1046, 1047, 1047, 1047, 1048. The average was probably about 1046. So compare 1045 to 1046. And now compare the 00036 to the 00027. I got bent over and fucked this week. That's what happened. They bent me Bitcoin bent me over and fucked me. Like, fuck, man. So you want to see what the price difference is with these two? So this week we got $30. You know what it should have been if I didn't fall asleep and I had that full reward, full discount? It's quite upsetting. I would have 25% more. I would have $10 more. $10 more Bitcoin. So that nap caused me $10, which is kind of annoying. Really fucking annoying. But just because I fucked up and forgot to click my discount, don't let this discourage you from starting to mine Bitcoin, because even though I fucked up and did that, I'm still making money. I'm still made over $3,000 in Bitcoin, and someone in the comments the other day asked if I've cashed any out. Well, I only have $200 in my wallet, which means I've cashed out over $3,000 worth of Bitcoin. So to the people who are saying that it's a scam, why would a scam give me $3,000? If it was a scam, wouldn't they just be smart and, cause issues with the withdrawing and being like, oh no, you gotta wait a long period of time? Or, I don't know, if they were a scam, would they allow you to withdraw your Bitcoin for free and all you have to do is wait 24 hours? No, they would not give you that option. They would be like, it's going to cost 0001 Bitcoin as the fee to withdraw, 2 cents of Bitcoin. That's what a scam does. This ain't a scam. This place is fucking legit, baby. So if you want to start, you can literally start with 1 terahash at 20 watts a terahash for $26.99. Again, the cheapest to start mining Bitcoin now with a physical rig is a few $1,000s. I would say around $10,000 with the rig and electrical costs and everything and upgrading all that shit. You're looking at probably a few thousand to 10,000. And yeah, you're going to be getting a few dollars a day doing that. But with this, you'll get a few cents a day, but it's starting cheap. It's an easy way to invest. If you think that it's okay and you want to upgrade to like how much terahash a physical miner would have, at around like 256 to where you're getting $7 a day, well, it is going to cost you about $6,000. But you don't have to set it up. There's no physical setup. You just buy a fucking NFT. Again, I actually don't think I've mentioned this before. This is the only NFT that I know of because these miners are NFTs that actually give you Bitcoin. They mine Bitcoin. An NFT is mining Bitcoin. That's a good fucking NFT compared to these other fucking shit Bored Ape yacht cocks. Sorry, clubs. Now, I don't have 256. I have 215, so I'm getting close. I'm getting close. Now, this is also if you're paying the maintenance fees with GoMining token, so you're getting up to a 20% discount. If you're paying the maintenance fees with just the Bitcoin pool reward, then yeah, you're still looking at $6. You're looking at $6 a day doing nothing. But, you know, if you're a big boy player and maybe, you know, you got a good inheritance, or you bought in Bitcoin early, or you bought in Ethereum early, or BNB early, and you have $136,000 to spare, well, fuck it. You might as well buy a full-time job, because that's what this is. $52,000. That's at current prices. That's at the current Bitcoin price. Say Bitcoin goes up to, you know, 150. Well, now you just bought a full-time job that people would kill to have because it makes $87,000 a year. It pays $240 a day. That's also on weekends. Most people don't work weekends. This is making $240 on the weekend. Sorry, there's 2 days on the weekend. It's making $480 on the weekend. Well, most people don't make $480 throughout the week. So, you know, if you do want to start mining Bitcoin, and if you want to help me out because, you know, you enjoy watching these videos, I enjoy making them, they're fun. Well, use my referral link, please, because you will get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase, which means you buy 100 terahash, you get 5 free terahash. How much is 5 free terahash worth? Well, they don't have that as an option, but for 1 terahash, it is $27. For 4 terahash, it is $103. Add those together, that's $130 you're getting back absolutely for free. For free, just for free. It's a thank you from me to you and from them to you. So hopefully, you know, you guys want to get into some mining Bitcoin. Obviously, do your research first. Look through the academy. Start with the bonus miner. Don't just buy a miner immediately. Start with the bonus miner. Understand how it works. You only get paid the Bitcoin from the bonus miner once you've made a purchase. Yes, they're not just going to give you free Bitcoin for no reason for signing up. You have to make a purchase in order to get the Bitcoin from the bonus miner. So have a good one, guys. Keep learning, keep making money, and have fun. And fuck you, OBS. You didn't fuck up on me this time. Have a good one, guys.
I don't smoke weed, but I still like the smell. Weed hella green, ninja turn to Raphael. Heard it being hate, damn man, what the hell? Damn man, what the hell? What's bigger than the